Hey guys, welcome to Doggy Programmer. This is our series of NPM tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll see what NPM is, what a module is, what a package is, and some more things like installing NPM by installing Node.js and what Node.js is, and we'll see how we can check our specific version of Node and NPM. So in this tutorial, it's just like an introduction, and in the next part of this series we'll go more into NPM. And if you want a tutorial on Node.js, there is another playlist for Node.js, so go check it out. Now, what is NPM? NPM stands for Node Package Manager. It is a collection of modules or packages of JavaScript codes or reusable codes. Now, modules and packages are two different things, but usually used interchangeably. But they are two different things. Modules are codes or codes used to solve a specific problem, and packages are this collection of modules. So they are two different things, but usually you use packages and modules interchangeably, so we don't need to argue with this. If this is if we say this about the difference between modules and packages, you'll usually get a package.json file together with your with the package you're using. Now, for example, React is a package. You can get it in NPM. So you can use NPM to use React. See, this is how you can install React into your system. Anyways, we will see that in the future tutorials. For now, I'm just going to show you how you can download Node. Okay, now when you download Node.js together, you will also get NPM. Inside this website called nodejs.org, you have this download links. This is the latest version. It might not be stable. This one is stable and it's recommended for most users. So you download this. My download is started. I have downloaded it here. So let's just open it, then run, then next. So if you are installing this for the first time, you will get another type of page, but anyways, it's just a straightforward installation process. So next, then you will just install it. Mine is already installed, as I've told you, so it will just update it. So finish. This is how you can install Node and NPM together. Then if you want to check that you have installed Node, you can come to command prompt and node-v. You will get your version of Node.js, and npm v, you'll get your npm version. So this is the first part. So we'll see more advanced things. Thank you for watching.